After we got inside, the hostess brought us to our booth. She was super kind and polite to us the entire time. To read their menu, all I had to do was scan their QR code with my phone. The first thing we ordered was their chips and salsa, and to be real with y'all, Limon got the best salsa in the game. No challenge.
Can I please have the fish tacos?
Fish, corn, or flour?
Flour.
Supreme or just regular? Supreme, it's lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and sour cream, and the regular, it's only onions and cilantro.
Supreme.
Burrito?
Thank you so much.
Fish tacos?
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Do you need something else?
Noah got a chicken burrito, and Gavin got fish tacos. Both meals came out surprisingly fast, while still having great presentation. Y'all see that? Y'all see the form? It's Delco excellence. We finished our meal with churros and ice cream. Noah actually paid for me and Gavin, so someone better hit his line. That boy got money.
What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
How long have you been working here?
3 months.
What's your favorite part of work?
¿Cuál es su parte favorita de trabajar? Atender a las personas.
And what's your favorite menu or your favorite item on the menu?
Tacos.
Great. Awesome. Well, that's all. Thank you so much.
You can visit Limon yourself at 1304 Edgewood Road, Havertown, Pennsylvania.
Mata tu sed, el castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal, tú el aire que respiro.
Hi, I'm McKenna Loney, a senior at Haverford and a member of Haverford Drama Club. This year, I'm a performer and the vice president. This past fall, we had our first ever predominantly student-run virtual fall show that showcased the range of talent that we, tech, directors, editors, performers, possessed.
Swim!
This fall, we're lucky enough to be back on stage for the play Peter and the Starcatcher. Where performers follow a hybrid rehearsal schedule. From Zoom sessions to the East Commons to the auditorium, we're rehearsing music, blocking scenes, dancing, and creatively and safely adapting to COVID restrictions. Although Pat's has music and choreography, it's far from your typical HHS musical. Pat's is a prequel to Peter Pan and how he came to be. The characters, set, and energy of Pat's create the stellar comedy and imagination that this play possesses.
After last year's spring season being canceled due to COVID-19, spring sport athletes have been eager to get back on the field like their fall and winter peers. No matter what kind of season happens this year, it will be appreciated by spring athletes. For the boys lacrosse team during last year's canceled season, the forwards' only close encounter with outside competition came when they traveled to Great Valley the Tuesday before the shutdown. When they had arrived and already begun to warm up, they were told that they would not be playing. Great Valley had shut down their school district and would go all virtual a few days before Haverford did. Fast forward to this season, the team started preseason practice on Monday and look ahead to their first scrimmage being a rematch for the ages against Great Valley. After losing a lot of good seniors in the class of 2020, they will have the difficult task of having to compete against a stacked Central League. To find out more, we caught up with some players to talk about the upcoming season. I'm here with Matt Davis and Colin Kane, and I just want to ask you guys, what's one goal for the season, for the team?
Looking to make playoffs here, try and win as many games as we can with the toughest schedules against Central League teams.
We're trying to build off of last year, or freshman year, I guess, which is probably get over 500 and make a push into the playoffs.
Are you finding yourself shopping online and spending a lot of money on things you don't really need?
Well, where'd that come from?
Well, here are 3 tips that will help you limit your online shopping problem.
Really?
First, admit you have this problem. Question yourself.
Do I really need this item?
No, it has literally no use.
But it looks cool.
Second, wait 30 minutes before purchasing the item. And finally, set a goal, like a trip or saving for college. This will give you something to save for and will be a good way to pause your online shopping. If you do end up buying it, then use apps like Shop to track your order and put your mind at ease. And if all else fails, just become an enemy of Jeff Bezos.
Jeez, you want to end up like that kid? If you were to...
No, I would never. But try this out. It's called Stadia.
My name is Jonas Son.
And my name is Jalen Downs, and we're doing a review on Stadia.
Stadia is a cloud gaming system, which means you can run all their games completely online on your computer or your phone. So, as long as you have a decent internet, you're set to go. So, basically the way it works is you can play free games like Destiny 2, or you can get the pro version, which basically makes it so that you can get discounts and even other free games for no additional cost. It's only $10 per month, but I think it's better than buying a console sometimes. You can also buy the games Stadia has without getting the pro version if you wanted. This is Red Dead Redemption 2 on a phone. It can run pretty well without any issues, and the graphics are almost just as good as a console or PC.
That's crazy. You can even play games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption, even Destiny 2 for free. But the real question is, do I need the PS5 or the Xbox Series X now?
So, should you buy Stadia? If you want to save some money and get games for cheap while sacrificing the minimal amount of graphics, Stadia is the choice for you.
Alright, hey guys, so today me and Liv, say hey Liv.
Hey.
We are gonna be making cakes.
We're not gonna have a recipe and we have to do it from scratch.
And we're gonna see who can come out with the better cake.
First thing I'm gonna do, measure out the flour, and I think 2 cups sounds good.
I don't really know how to bake a cake, but I'm gonna start with 4 cups of flour. Okay.
Next thing I'm gonna do is a cup of sugar, maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna do 2 cups of sugar. I don't know how many I'm supposed to do.
I know I'm either gonna need baking soda or baking powder, but I don't know which one it is.
We're just gonna pour a bunch. Alright, we're definitely gonna need some salt, so we're gonna... Now I'm gonna do some wet ingredients.
I just remembered I need to get eggs.
I'm gonna start off with cracking.
Got the eggs, and so I don't know if I should go with 1 egg or 2.
Alright, maybe I was supposed to use baking powder. In case I was, I'm gonna put some of that into the wet ingredients. And then we're gonna put some vanilla.
Pour it in a little teaspoon. Okay, I have the cake and I'm gonna try it now.
Let's see if it actually tastes like a cake.
It smells interesting.
So my final review would be that it tastes like eggs.
That was disgusting.
It wasn't fully cooked. Probably have to give it a 1 out of 10.
In conclusion, never make a cake without a recipe unless you know what you're doing.
This is the end of me and Liv trying to bake a cake with 0 recipe. Let us know who you guys thought won. Thanks for watching!